you want to put two things within the same sheet cell, but on two different lines? Create a new line within your cell in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today we'll show you how to create a new line within a cell. Let's get started. When your cursor is within the cell, type Command-Enter or Control-Enter. From there, a new line will be started within the same cell and you can start typing. So there you have it. Create a new line within a cell in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Subscribe and click the links below to follow us on social.